Okay, so I took a walk for whatever reason. Why did I come this way? Oh, I came out that door. I'm walking along here, and I say, where is this room? And it's locked. And I've never seen it, and I'm not sure if the boss is expecting or wants us to do this. So I'm sure you know this room is here. What is this room? This room is like a workshop, like a plant, like you'd work on your plants here, I guess. Not really sure because the pool's not here, so it's not a pool room. Could be a pool room if there was a shower in there. Anyhow, my question is, do you want us to do this room? And I had no idea this was included in the project, but whatever you want, we can figure out.